a 17th century oriental philosopher and mystic who left behind a timeless line in his classic work, Kaigen Tan, 自是难言，借他是阴风指. In today's world, especially when navigating the delicate terrain of in-law relationships, this ancient advice still resonates. Let's revisit 5 common sources of tension between daughters-in-law and mothers-in-law. 1. Differences in parenting styles. 2. Contrasts in daily routines and priorities. 3. Disagreements over family gatherings and time allocation. 4. Conflicts over personal space and boundaries. 5. Divergent ways of expressing emotions. You can find deeper insight on my channel, Cho Dak J2, by searching it on Google.